What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back out at the track and it is time to do work. Okay, here's the deal. All the suspension has been changed. It's all drag suspension. I have no idea what the car is going to do, so it's going to be a fun night. See what's up. Alright guys, I did want to show off a new addition from the guys at Adu. Sent me this killer little compressor, and we talked a little bit about it. I said, you know what, when I'm out at the track, got to check the pressure, and the only place to get it is up at the tower. So what we're going to do tonight, test this bad boy out. It does plug in via the cigarette lighter, so anytime, you know, I need to up the pressure or down the pressure, no trouble. So let's give this thing a try. All right guys, so what you do is just hit your little button here and you can switch to PSI, and then just go up. Actually, I'm gonna do 17 PSI. Alright guys, so the pressure is set. Pop that off. We are done. I can actually walk away and do something else while that's working. I actually kind of dig this. So I will have a link down in the description. If you want to get one of these, they're super compact. Comes with a nice little carrying case and 12 months extended warranty. Pretty nice little product. Check it out. I'm going to use this a lot at the track. Alright guys, so first pass with the new drag suspension. I have no idea what it's going to do. Haven't adjusted it. I got the tires up at 17 PSI via some good advice that I got. Hopefully it's good advice. We'll see. But see what happens. All right. Kind of threw me back. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. All right guys, so here we go. First hit on the brand new suspension. Spun my ass off to a personal best. 760.2 at 92. At a 169 60 foot. Spun hard. But yeah. All right boys, current situation, I'm bringing the pressure up a little bit. Corey and I were just talking. We're gonna bring it up to 20 just to see what happens, see what it does. But as you can see, Corey is out here. He's got the 4i, and we're gonna do something tonight. It's gonna be fun. Good time. Cody's here in the house. Definitely a busy night at the track. Say what's up.
What's up?
So there you go, boys. That is current situation. We're about to make hit number 2. It is, I am loving this pump, by the way. I set the pressure at what I want, it does its thing, and I come back and so now it's at 20. It's got cut off. All right, boys, this is hit number 2. We're at 20 pounds. I'm gonna try to launch around 6 grand. We'll see what happens. I got my seat adjusted better this time too. Time. Bad spin, bad. That one's gonna kind of suck, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so spun really bad. 185/60, 785 at 91. How bad was the spinach on that one?
What's traction?
I know, right? So we upped the pressure and it spins worse. So maybe we need to go back down to 17. I don't know.
I do 15.
Yeah. Drop that.
Probably like 15 left.
Yeah. So that was at 20 psi, and it just blew the tires off. Like, it did go straight, but it was good. So I think next pass I'm gonna drop them down maybe 15, just see what the hell, see what it does. But it's a learning curve, y'all. Always a learning curve. All right, boys, Cody's fixing to do something. All right, Cody, break something, all right?
Yeah.
No. Power Glide 9-inch. See what we got here. Go see what he ran. All right, y'all, no time running, guys. What'd you run? Where's your time slip? What'd you run? Cody, what'd you run?
Hey, it's just like an 8.8.
Dude, you were just blowing the tires off. I mean, you knew it was gonna happen. How we looking? Oh yeah, 739 with a 3, 159.60, and I should have been on the other side, 90, almost 94 miles an hour. Yeah. Dude, she is trucking. Yeah. See, I was on this side. We'll watch the video. I don't think it came on this side, but I was like, yeah. Yeah, man, it was trucking. It was trend. Yeah, it was moving down the track too. I freaking love it.
That's good.
I don't want to race you. I want to race Cody tonight. All right, guys, so I'm about to do hit number 3. We've got tires dropped down to 13. So we've done 17 first pass, 20 second pass, and this is third pass. We're about to do 13 pounds. And I don't know. Maybe we'll do something. What do you think, Cody? We're gonna do something? Hoping. We're hoping. See how cool she is under here. Not too good. Gotta love an aluminum engine with all kinds of plastic all over everything. They cool off really easy. But it is super hot and humid out here, but oh well. We're about to make the next hit. Again, we're gonna do 13 pounds. Gonna be about 5,500 clutch dump. See if she'll hold it. Good, boys. I don't know what it was, but it felt good. $739, baby, $739. Woo! All right, guys, so let's talk about what we just did here. Okay, this is the pass we just did. We did slow down. Sorry about that. Did a 759 at 92.8. Lost some 60 foot. It spun pretty good. I tried to raise the launch RPM up a little bit, but it's still, I mean, again, y'all, the last time we were out here at the track, and the best I've ever ran is a 775. We swapped suspensions, put a drag style suspension, and we're still playing with it, and now we're doing 39 at 94. So, to say that suspension is working better is a freaking understatement. The car is running like a freaking monster. It's still spinning its ass off. So if y'all think that I'm not gonna hit my 7.0, you got another thing coming. I promise you, you'll be out here, I'm gonna make it happen. Probably not gonna happen tonight, but it's gonna happen. What we got? What we got? What we got?
729.
Woo! 729, 157, 60 foot.
Jerry
90,
put it on him.
94.53. Jerry took the reins on this pass. That's best. 729.
Yep.
Damn. So both of us tonight, like
Personal best.
both of us, killing it. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. I had to feel good going down the track.
It felt good.
Oh, man.
That's what me and Caleb was saying when it left. I said, that's a solid
Yeah,
pass.
we were both sitting there watching. It's like, yeah, that's a good pass. That's a good pass. So 729 tonight at almost 95 and 739 at 94 for mine. Damn good night. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to get in the car here so you can actually hear me. But tonight was an absolutely freaking phenomenal night. New personal best. First night out with the new suspension, and we go a 739. So we picked up almost 4/10 just with suspension. I know you guys can't see me. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the light on. Mile an hour up, ET up, car feels phenomenal, and it's still spinning its ass off. Corey goes a 29 at 95. So great night tonight. We are making progress. I'm gonna get that goal with a junkyard F-150 motor. I'm gonna get that goal. Excuse my language. So that is what is up, guys. I appreciate you watching and kind of following along this journey. I'm having a blast doing it. It's freaking amazing. So please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you at the track.